Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will explore some of the features of Gemini. We will understand new features of Gemini and how we can utilize them in a best way. So let's get started. Let's search for Gemini. So this is the website, and now I will do that. First thing we will do with Gemini, that this is the handwritten notes. So I have a handwritten notes. So what I will do that I will convert this handwritten notes into a proper document with the Gemini. So we will try to make a proper document of this handwritten notes with the Gemini. So I will upload this document into Gemini, and we will convert this. We will try to convert this a proper document with Gemini. So let's see how to do that. So first let's upload that PDF. So this is the PDF. So we need to mention a prompt here, like convert this. So I have written the prompt and uploaded the PDF file of handwritten notes, and now let's submit this. So the prompt is convert the handwritten document into structured PDF with all the details and give me PDF file of that structured document. So we need also document in PDF format. So let's submit this. So our document is generated. Now let's download this document. So our technical document is generated, and this is how it is looking. This is the document about JavaScript technical preference, and we have the handwritten notes. Let's check the handwritten notes also. So I have opened both of the document, like handwritten notes and and document PDF structure document. And so this is, we can match from here. There is some modification in the in this structure document, and there will be some language change or modification you will find. So you can match that, but details will be the same here. But this is more structure and easy to understand document as compared to this handwritten notes. So all the details are available in this document, like we can see. Live script, net script, introduction to JavaScript. So all the details available. This is the way we can convert handwritten notes into this type of document easily with Gemini. This feature, and now we will understand how we can convert CSV file into a presentation with this Gemini. So I will just upload my CSV data, and I will try to make a presentation over that CSV data with all the details and a summary of that document of CSV data. So let's see the data. So this is the file I have. This is the simple CSV data of house prices. So I will just upload this CSV data into Gemini and try to convert a presentation over this data. So let's upload this data. Go to upload files and select the data. So this is our file, and now let's upload this. So I have written the prompt here, like give me a complete presentation of the data set I have provided. It must contain the information of the data set. Presentation must be well structured and easy to understand. So let's submit this, and let's see how it will generate the presentation. So our presentation is ready, and we can open it from here. So this is our presentation, and we can export. There are 13 slides. So let's download this from here. So our presentation is downloaded. Now let's explore this. So this is our presentation, and so this is how it's looking, and this is how well maintained this presentation is, and the colors and fonts are really good, and we have also seen the graph, the charts also. So these are also the details: utility and amenity valuation, market composition. We have also the charts also. We have pie chart and this graph also. So visualization is easy now. And this table is also for metrics. So this is the complete overview of overview presentation of that CSV data. Or we can add or delete some information from here by continuing this chat. Like if you want to add some more details, then we can also add add or describe about that. And we if you want to add more slides, then we can also mention that from here. Like let's explore that. I want some information, so let's write this and let's see whether it will be able to generate that or not. So I have just mentioned that I need some more information about area and price, so add them in the descriptive way in the presentation. So let's submit this and let's see whether it will generate or not. So it is creating slides and it is updating the slides. So it has updated the slide, and so these three slides it has generated the information about area price relationship. Now let's add these three slides in that complete slide and generate once again. So let's see whether it will generate complete slides or not. So we have updated slides and let's see this. So it has added the area price relationship in this slide. So this is how you can generate the slides or presentation with Gemini, and we can download this from here. Export to slides and download button. Generate a dashboard report of this dataset. So I have written that I want to generate a dashboard report of the dataset with the different charts and graph. So generate a full dashboard report of the dataset. So let's see whether it will be generate a dashboard report or not. So we have mentioned that we have want different charts and graph in that dashboard. So let's submit this. So Gemini has generated graph, not the report. So these are the generated graph. We can download this from here. So this is also given the HTML code. So these are the graph generated like heat map and price distribution by bedroom and SC, and average price by furniture and status. So these are the some of the graph it has generated. So this is the HTML file, and now let's open this. So this is the complete dashboard it has generated with these graph. So overall it has generated good, and we can explore this, we can share this. It has it has given the information about the dataset. Easily we can identify the dataset in simple steps with Gemini. So this is the dashboard. We can modify this, we can add details, we can be we can also select graph, we can also mention the graph which whatever we want to create. So these are the detail about the dashboard. We can create any file from Gemini, like we can create docs, we can create CSV, we can create Excel file, we can create HTML, or we can create JSON. So these are the files we can create from Gemini also. Gemini. So let's do something with the JSON. So let's generate a JSON file of the dataset. So give me a JSON file of this dataset with 3 rows of data. So I have written that I need JSON file of the dataset with 3 rows. So let's submit. It can easily generate any files. We can explore this. We have different tools. We can also do deep search here, and we can convert these deep search into a presentation or document. So this has generated a JSON file. Let's download this. So this is our JSON file. It contains the dataset. So we can also do this with Gemini. We can convert our CSV data, or we can create these JSON files. Create XML files. We can also create XML files. So let's explore this deep search tool. This deep search tool is very important when you do research, when you want to know about something. This deep search tool will explore all the websites, all the information on the internet, and also explore from has external internal knowledge. So it will do deep research about the topic. So let's explore these also. So it's starting for, it is asking for new chat. So let's go to new chat. Like I want all the information about AI agent, or information about AI agent. So you can choose any topic, and this will do deep search about this topic. It will analyze this in all the way possible, and then give complete report. It starts searching. It will make a plans for this, and then go to deep search. Oh, and also it will take some time, because the search will take some time. This search tool is exploring these websites, Reddit, YouTube. It is exploring all the content, all the information from these websites. So our detailed deep research note is ready. So the convergence of agency, a comprehensive analysis of autonomous AI architect framework and trajectory towards general intelligence. So this is the complete report. We can share and we can export this. We can read we can read this. This is a complete report. So this is very helpful when we want to do a deep research about something, some topic, and it will explore all the details from internet, and merge them together to make a complete report. So these are some of the features of Gemini. We can use these features in our daily task, or we can uh, easily use this feature. We can and these features are very helpful in our daily tasks. We can explore some of the features. These are some of the features, but we can explore many features. There are many things we can do with Gemini, but these are important tools or important features we can use in our daily tasks. So it will make our task easy, and it will help us. So these are the features. So this is the video guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.